foraged these plums at an empty lot that is awaiting development, and there are 2 types of them. I couldn't tell you what types they are. All I know about them is that they are sweet and tart at the same time. When you bite into one, it's kind of like the inside is super sweet and juicy, but the skin is super sour.
Well, they're like all the other plums. They have a sweet initial blast when you bite into it, and then as soon as you get to the skin in the pit, it's like a sour candy.
I'm going to use David Lebovitz's recipe for plum sorbet in the proportion that he uses for sugar to plums. These plums are not freestone, which means that if you bite one open, you can't just cut them open and take out the stone super easily and then like conveniently make sorbet without any pits in it. So what we're gonna have to do today is we're going to stew these plums together with the pits until they fall apart and get all jammy and delicious, and then we're gonna straight up stick our hands in there and pick out all the pits, and then we're gonna run it through the blender so that we can preserve the beautiful flavor of the skin and the flesh. Alright, so for David Lebovitz's recipe, it calls for 1.5 pounds of plums. So how many plums do we have? I highly recommend getting one of these kitchen scales. I use it for everything. I use it for making bread. I use it for weighing out ingredients. I've become pretty superstitious about weighing ingredients out by weight. And how many plums do we have? That's approximately 5.5 pounds of plums. I'm really shitty at math, but 0.5 divided by 1.5 is 3.5. So we're 3.5ing the recipe, approximately, balls. Yeah, approximately balls. You should try it. I dare you to try it. I dare you. I'm gonna have a spoonful of the plum puree and be serious and not make a face.
Without making a face. Yeah.
That was perfect.
It's pretty sour.
Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping and the cotton is high. You're daddy's rich and your mama's good looking. So hush, little baby, don't you cry. Oh, still a bit sour.